Welcome back today on the electric side of things. Today we're going to learn how to make an extension cord. When you make an extension cord, make sure you're a licensed electrician and you know what you're doing. Because if you're making an extension cord, you make the wrong size, if it's too long, it can heat up the wire and cause a fire. And no one wants that. So you gotta be careful you don't cut the wires or nick the wires. So you go slowly. This is SOW cab tire. So it's really thick and strong. So there you go. Gotta make it short, because if you make it too long, it'll pull it out of the plug. Cut these here. Strip the wire. You get one of the ends, the female end or male end. This is the male end. Buy these at your hardware store. They come with little clips that go in here. This wire is big, so you don't need it. You can remove the clips so it fits the wire. If it's a smaller wire, then that fixes it. That fits and makes it snug. I've used this one before, so I'll take it apart. I actually did the video, but forgot to record it, so I'll do it again. So you see there's a green screw, white screw, copper screw. The way I use it, white goes with white, green goes with green, black goes with copper. Three wires all nice and neat. Green goes with green, slides right in there. White goes with white. See, white goes with white. And then black goes with copper. Saying before, if it's too long here, and when you close it, if it's too much wire in there, you can pull this out and you'll see the wire. This way it won't go because the wire is short. Careful you don't break through it all. I just scored a little bit and just pass the knife until I start seeing wires inside. Look nice and pretty. Pride in your job whenever you do something. It's number 14 wire, by the way. It looks thick because it's SOOW. Female end. It also has the clips to go in there, but we don't need it because this one is a thick wire. Once again, ground with ground. Goes the green. White goes to white. Black goes to black, black goes to copper. So you don't get these little wire strands all over the place because it might cause a short. Here you go. That's how you make extension cord. Hope you liked the video. Leave comments below. Subscribe. Have a great day.